Hello Team TFT, welcome back to another daily market outlook video. For today's video, we're going to cover the DXY, the Euro USD and the GBP USD pairs. Firstly, we'll jump over the economic calendar here, have a bit of a look. So we've got some GBP news coming out with the CPI year on year, which is coming out now very soon in the next hour or so. So it'll be interesting to see what happens with GBP at the close there of the Asian. We do also have the housing stats and building permits coming out for the US at the start of the New York session. Other than that, we're pretty good. So, yeah, basically, start of the London session should be good to take some trades, but obviously make sure we're managing our risk by the start of the New York session there. Dixie. So yesterday we anticipated sort of two areas that would happen. Both of them sort of played out. So first when we came down to this low area, pull back up to around that internal structure there, around that midline. We did ultimately come back down again, but then obviously march back up. And now we're up into this higher region that we had marked out yesterday. That's this area here that has swept liquidity in the past through there, come up, swept liquidity and come back down. So we've had a bit of a touch into there, been pulled away. We've actually come back up again. We're starting to build liquidity in the middle of this range here. So basically for today, I am interested in seeing price come up, take liquidity out of there, and obviously sell off. Being that we are still bearish on the 15, we are still bearish on the 4 hour as well. So we are looking for shorts. A short from this area looks quite good. Obviously do want to see those couple of highs get taken, and then we want to see a sign of strength coming out of that area. Euro USD, same sort of thing. We're expecting a push up, came back down through the range, took the low side liquidity, and has started obviously marching its way down. We've tapped halfway into this area here and now started to consolidate just above that. So two things we could be looking for here at the moment is obviously a pullback down. What we want to see obviously is we've seen this here on the euro. You can see here we've failed to set a new low. So we've come up, set a high, we've worked our way down, failed to set a new low still. So basically what we want to see here is this low hold and go long from that area there. That's the basis of what I would like to see today. Pull down into this zone and go long. Failing that, we see a break to the high side, probably sweeping high side liquidity, coming down and going long from there. So yeah, basically that's what I'm looking for euro. If that area gets broken, then we might look to flip short-term bearish and start looking for some 15-minute sells. GBP. So obviously GBP yesterday was tanking. It broke through this area. So we see here yesterday we were expecting a pull up, a midline test, and then to go long, which is what we got. We got that pull up, break to the high side, came back down, found the internal structure there, and then went long. But ultimately, at the end of towards the start of the New York session, we flipped and started going bearish. Tapped into this area, got a brief rejection, and then obviously failed and come back down through that area. So be interesting to see with the news coming out today if we are going to hold this area here. So we can see here on the 15-minute time frame, we do have this last bearish candle that then impulsed up and took off from there. So what we want to see is a possible pull down into this area and find support to go long from that area. But we would love to see a 15-minute trend change, as the 15-minute has been trending bearish on GBP. Definitely want to see that trend start to flip bullish on GBP as well. Let's just have a quick check at the 4 hour here. 4 hour has started to flip bearish as well. We've had this pull down, we've had a pull back up, and now we've pulled back down and broken structure through there. So that's this structure point through here. So we've had a pull down to that point, we've retraced back up, and then we've pulled down further. So we are actually bearish at the moment until we break this high. So 4-hour is bearish on GBP, and euro, and sorry, 15-minute is currently bearish. So, it is safer to be looking for bearish trades, but on the other hand too, need to be aware of the US news and stuff. We may see a bounce out of this area. I would anticipate a bounce out of this area, but again, probably not looking to buy long from this area until due to the fact that the 4-hour and the 15-minute are both bearish. Leads to a less probability trade. So if this area breaks, definitely going to look to continue short. That would be the higher probability trade here. That breaks low and we go low from there and go short. So anyway, guys, thank you very much for jumping on again today. Appreciate your supports, and I'll be back again tomorrow for another daily market outlook video. Thanks for watching another daily market outlook video. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like it. Also, guys, we are the largest Tradesmen Forex group tailored to helping hundreds of tradesmen get their time back through trading. If you want access to structured education, 18 live sessions across 7 days a week, mental health and mindset support from a qualified psychologist, and access to multiple different trading strategies from 10 different mentors, then jump over to our website at www.teamtft.co.uk. Please remember, this is not financial advice, and you should not trade based on anything I have said in this video. This is just my own opinion and nothing more. And remember, manage your risk, stick to your plan, and secure those profits. Have a ripper day.